Hey gang, welcome back to another video. Now if you've ever needed to make a fake fireplace, or maybe just some burning embers for a pirate scene like in Pirates of the Caribbean, then I've got the perfect project for you. I was recently reminded of this great project by my friend Nick Walters, and now I'm here to share it with you. So let's get to it. For this build we'll need three things: a red or orange pool noodle, some kind of tool for picking away at the foam, as well as black and gray acrylic paints. Now that we've got everything, let's start by tearing this pool noodle into the size of a small log. The rougher the edge, the better. Because of the factory edge on the other side, we'll need to use this sculpting tool, or any other pointy object, and pick away at the edge until it looks something like the end of a broken branch. With that out of the way, we can start giving our pool noodle a rough, bark-like texture by dragging the sculpting tool horizontally across the surface. We're aiming to create recesses of varying heights and widths in the foam, which will help to break up the cylindrical shape of the pool noodle and trick the eye into thinking it's something different. You'll want to repeat this process until your pool noodle looks a bit more like this. Now we can move on to paint. For this prop, since we're aiming for a burned but still smoldering log, I decided to go with black acrylic paint, and I'm just going to apply it to the high spots, making sure to let some of the bare pool noodle still shine through. It's okay to get some into the recesses, as long as some of that orange color is still visible. Once the black paint had dried, I grabbed a light gray color and will apply it with a dry brush to highlight some of the edges of the piece. This step helps to create another visual breakup and works well if there's a chance it'll be seen in the daytime. Now we can get to my favorite part of this technique, adding lights. I had this strand of white LED lights that I'll insert into the pool noodle, and because there's still some of the orange showing through, it will glow like a smoldering log. But we've got to wait for the sun to go down a bit. That's better. As you can see, it definitely has a similar look to a smoldering log, and if you wanted to take this effect a step further, you could add in a flicker module with your LED lights to give it some more character. You could also choose to apply more of your black paint in areas to give it even more of a subdued appearance. You've really got to appreciate just how many different ways you can use a pool noodle in a Halloween project. Well, that's going to do it for this one. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, but most importantly, go make something.